y'all, so I finally got my wig that I ordered from Amazon. It was supposed to come Wednesday, but I received an empty package. Somebody took my wig. This is how the front is, a 13 by 4. Sit down before you fall. Don't do that. Leave it alone, huh? I like it. Cause this wig, it was on sale. It was only like $89. The frontal is a little thin. Not really thin, but it's not the full length. Like all of the length is really in the back. See, this is the frontal. And then this is the length of the frontal. And then this is the back. And then on this side, this is the frontal. And this is the back. So it's cute, but it's really not versatile. Like if you want to do like a up style or something like that, it's a full frontal, but it's not that versatile. Like you could probably do it up, but you'll have to add some hair to it if you wanted to do like a up down style. But it was only $89.
Say that, yo.
So these are my nails. We're going out tonight. So we're going out tonight, and I went and got something to wear. So I'll show you what I got. This is the dress, and this is how it looks. I'm gonna try it on later. Here's a cutout right here on the side. This purse right here, and this was $8, and the dress was $8, and the shoes was $2, and I didn't even know it. And these are the shoes I'm wearing. And then I got me a notebook. That I got, and it comes with straps, but I think I'm gonna use some silver straps that I already got on it to make it like go crossover. I don't know, maybe.